Welcome to the quick dot programming course. In this class we are going to discuss about class, object and static methods in dot programming. This is a quick dot programming course, so just refresh the concepts of class and object and static, hoping that you already have some intuition about these things. We already learned in our previous Python and Java programming. Now, so coming to class, how we are going to define classes in dot programming? Class, class name, open brackets and closed brackets. This is how we define a class. Inside this class, we are going to mention instance variables and methods and constructors. So instance variables means these are common to all the methods that are in the object. For each object, these instance variables are common to all the methods. That is what we call it as instance variables. If you want to define a constructor, means during the creation of object, if you want to assign values, we use constructor. Same as in Java programming, we are going to use the same name. Class name is used as constructor name. Here also we are going to follow the same thing. Mobile class name is used as a constructor name and we are going to create a constructor. If you want to point to this object, the present object, we are going to use this keyword, this dot model equal to model. In Java also we are going to use the same keyword, this keyword, in order to assign values to the present object. This dot cost is equal to cost. So this is a display method. If you want to create an object for the given class, where new mobile equal to, this is the variable name, equal to mobile of, whenever you are creating an object, you can call the constructor. Here we are calling this constructor 2, 100, model is going to be 2 and cost is going to be 100. This is how we create object in dot programming. So this is about class and creating objects under this keyword. Now coming to the static. It is also very much similar to Java programming. So coming to the static methods and variables. In a class, this is a class, we are defining an instance variable and it's a method, and you can define static variables like this using a static keyword, static string des is equal to hi. And if you want to define a static method, static void print desc of, you are going to print something. This is what method name is. So static variables and static methods are compile time assignment. Without creating the object, you can use them. And one more important point you need to understand here, static variables, static methods can use only static variables. Java also same thing. Static variables are used by only static methods. And if you want to directly access the methods and variables in the class, static variables and static methods in the class, directly using the class name, m is the class name, m.print desc of, you are accessing the method, static method from the class. Directly using, no need to define the object for static methods. So this is how, see, static method, one important point you need to understand, static methods and static variables. Static variable is common to all the objects, means it is global to all the objects. Any object can access the static variable. This is very important to understand. So this is all about static and static variables and static methods in dot programming. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest